Hey, welcome back. This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. Got another quality radio here from Jeff. Let me turn this volume down all the way. This is a Zenith model M-730 AM/FM radio. 7 tubes. It's a tube radio. Looks in pristine condition. I tell you, Zenith made great radios. And I like their shortwave radios too. This is, like I say, AM and FM. Jeff got this for $50. Working fantastic. Got a 1959 to 1965 vintage. Pretty heavy. When I took this out of the box, I didn't realize how heavy it was. What I was playing was music from the YouTube free library using my FM transmitter hooked up to my MP3 player. So that's what you were hearing. I was tuned down to the bottom of the dial. I'm going to do a review of this because I've started using this. Pretty neat little device. You can plug it into anything right there that has a connection like that. Let's get back to the radio. Like I say, it's pretty massive. You can get to the back here. You can see it's like brand new condition. This is the leads for the FM antenna, which he just has a wire on that. Of course, it's AC. Does not have any earphone jack or anything like that. This was back before they used to put things like that on radios. Here's the selector for FM, AFC, automatic frequency control, and AM. This is the on-off volume, and this is the tuning knob. This is the big tuning dial. Big tuning dial. Big mammoth speaker. That's probably where all the weight is. This thing is heavy. So let's tune around. Let me turn off I'll turn it on for a second, then I'll turn off that transmitter. Little noisy on the volume. I don't want that one. Let's go back down. Find a good track here. There we go. There's a good track. Sounds great. Lots of bass moving in. I like it. What a beautiful radio. Okay, I'm going to turn the transmitter off. Turn the volume down. There we go. The other thing I have to watch out is, let me turn this volume down, is I got to keep that transmitter a little bit away from the radios. Gets too close and it creates an RF noise. So when I was trying to turn it off there, I had it too close to this radio. That's what you were hearing. Okay, now we got that off. We can actually see what the radio will tune. FM band, down to bottom. Beautiful music. And keep in mind, it's just using that piece of wire for an antenna.
My backyard farm or my girl?
Very clear.
Who leaves his tail here too?
Locks right on the station.
All that over for the chickens.
That's the one in Tampa. If I can get that one, pretty good reception. Music, okay, we got to get off that. More music.
Republicans coming together to find a pathway forward. Now, by the way, even the New York Times.
Whoa, lots of bass there. Gotta get off that music. More bass. I can feel the desk vibrating. I'm gonna turn down a little bit. Lots of stations.
All five will be given away right here throughout West Central Florida. This is a local opportunity, but if you don't register...
Oh, that sounds good.
Millions of dollars.
Gotta move fast. Can't play that music. Okay, let's get off the FM band. Too much music. AM. Moving down the band. More music.
The money aspect of it. Ran across you on YouTube. You know, I got on.
Not as good on AM, and that could be the orientation of the radio. Matter of fact, let me go back, find somebody talking. Don't want any music.
That's exactly right. So, you know, so it took a couple years. Your name was kind of a cuss word in the Johnson.
Now that station's
for
strong, so it doesn't
years,
matter.
But 5 years ago,
however you want to put it. It ain't
Good and strong.
By the name of Tom Hartman.
Yeah, we're doing good now.
money back. If I just get
Yeah.
half my money back, was that entertaining?
This is a nice radio.
He just does, and he's kind of been a guy.
By the way,
That's it. That's the end of the band. Yeah, this is a nice radio. I like this radio, Jeff. Maybe I'll keep this and not give it back to you. Okay, thanks for watching. Thanks, Jeff, for loaning me these radios. Have a great day. Bye-bye.